Clara from Spy Laser. Today we are going to introduce the protective lenses for fab lasers. The protective lens is one of the key components of the laser system, no matter for cutting or welding, and it consumes the most according to our customers. Therefore, in the maintenance and the correct use of the machines, it will be particularly important for most customers to choose the right lens with good quality and moderate prices. We are going to display the common lenses we have for our customers, and they have almost covered the popular brands in the current laser market. Let's go. Thank you for joining us today, and if you want to know more news about laser machines, please subscribe me here and we'll keep you updated. See you next time. Bye!